Can beginners really navigate the wild world of crypto without getting lost, or worse, losing their shirt? It's a question many ask, especially those just dipping their toes into investing. And with platforms like Wealthsimple Crypto making it easier than ever to buy digital assets, it's a valid one. Is Wealthsimple Crypto truly beginner-friendly, or is it just another complex system masquerading as simple? Today, we're diving deep into Wealthsimple Crypto to figure out if it's the right starting point for your crypto journey. We'll break down everything from its user interface to its fee structure, security, supported coins, and educational resources. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Wealthsimple Crypto aligns with your needs as a new crypto investor. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Crypto can be intimidating. The jargon, the volatility, the fear of missing out, or even worse, the fear of making a costly mistake. It's a lot to process. This is where a platform's design and philosophy truly matter. A beginner-friendly platform should feel intuitive, offer clear explanations, and ideally, hold your hand a little through the initial steps. So, how does Wealthsimple Crypto measure up in terms of user experience? From the moment you sign up, Wealthsimple aims for simplicity. The sign-up process is generally quick and straightforward. You'll need to open a crypto account, complete a loss limit survey, which is a regulatory requirement and a good thing for beginners, as it encourages you to think about risk, and then fund your account. They offer various funding methods, including Interac e-transfers and debit card deposits for instant trading. This immediate access to trading is a huge plus for beginners who want to get started without lengthy delays. The interface itself is clean, minimalist, and easy to navigate. If you've used other Wealthsimple products like their invest or trade platforms, the crypto interface will feel very familiar. It's designed to be intuitive, presenting key information without overwhelming you with complex charts or advanced trading tools. For a beginner, this is crucial. You're not trying to become a day trader overnight, you're trying to understand the basics of buying and selling crypto. Wealthsimple excels at presenting this core functionality simply. You can easily buy, sell, and even swap cryptocurrencies with just a few taps. But simplicity isn't just about a pretty interface, it's about what you can do with it. Wealthsimple Crypto allows you to buy many different crypto coins, and unlike traditional stock markets, you can trade 24/7. This accessibility is a hallmark of crypto and something Wealthsimple embraces. Another neat feature for beginners is the ability to buy fractional amounts of coins. You don't need to shell out thousands for a whole Bitcoin. You can simply specify a dollar value you'd like to invest, even as low as $1. This makes crypto investing accessible to almost any budget, removing a significant barrier for many newcomers. Now, let's talk about the dreaded F word in finance, fees. For beginners, understanding fees can be a headache, as they can quickly eat into your profits, especially with smaller investments. Wealthsimple Crypto has a transparent fee structure, though it's important to understand how it works. They charge a trading fee on each order placed, and this fee varies based on your client tier. For core clients, the fee is 2%, which is on the higher side compared to some advanced exchanges. However, if you have more assets with Wealthsimple and become a premium or generation client, these fees drop to 1% and 0.5% respectively. There are no fees to deposit or withdraw funds. While the 2% fee for core clients might seem a bit steep, it's often the trade-off for simplicity and integrated services. Many other platforms might have lower explicit trading fees but can hide costs and spreads or complex withdrawal fees. Wealthsimple's approach is straightforward. What you see is largely what you get. For a beginner who values ease of use over shaving off basis points on every trade, this can be an acceptable compromise. It's about paying for the convenience and the simplified experience. Beyond buying and selling, Wealthsimple Crypto also offers staking for certain cryptocurrencies. Staking is a way to earn passive rewards by holding specific coins and helping to secure the underlying blockchain network. For beginners, this is a fantastic way to potentially grow your crypto holdings without actively trading. Wealthsimple makes staking incredibly easy. You can stake your coins in just a couple of taps, and the rewards are automatically deposited into your account. Keep in mind, Wealthsimple does charge a percentage of the staking rewards as a fee, and rewards can vary. It's a nice feature that adds value for those looking to earn a yield on their crypto, but as always, it comes with its own set of risks, which Wealthsimple clearly outlines. When it comes to available cryptocurrencies, Wealthsimple offers a decent selection, especially for beginners. You'll find the major players like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, along with a wide array of other popular altcoins such as Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, Dogecoin, Doge, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, among many others. They regularly add new coins, expanding your options as you become more comfortable. For a beginner, having access to the most well-known and established cryptocurrencies is more than sufficient. You don't need access to obscure, highly volatile microcap coins when you're just starting out. The focus should be on learning and understanding the market with more stable, relatively speaking, assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.